What up, peoples? Ladies and gentlemen, hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing wonderful out there. It's been a while. Hope everybody's doing good out there. Like my new flag. Yes, I know. Got tired of the other ones. My little poster over there. New flag. Where we at? So, hope everybody, like I said, hope everybody's doing good, great, and all that good stuff. So, we're on for the Honda, we're on, I don't know if I'm on a Kickstarter with this thing, but I'm getting tired of looking at it. I'm always saying that because workflow, scheduling, working, and doing this and doing that, and some point in your lifetime you gotta just I need to have a day to do what I need to do, and that's just me. Like today, I wasn't gonna do a vlog today or put this lower control arm on the car today, but I needed to put at least one on because I know the other side. I won't do both of them tonight because I got about probably like 45 minutes before it become dark. So that being said, though, about that, still getting worked on. What else we doing? I did talk about Honda Fest a little bit in my last video. I'm gonna say this too. When I went to Honda Fest, I actually went there. I don't think I mentioned this in my last video, but I actually went there, and like I said, there was a whole bunch of amazing vehicles, beautiful cars. Like, people put work in their cars. And so there was one particular vendor I was looking for because they had like the retro stickers, or bolts and all that stuff. I'm gonna end up ordering more stuff down the line because stuff like that, like you get the little 10mm bolts for this company, all that stuff. So, Resto Tuners. I don't know if you guys ever heard of these guys, this company, but it does amazing. I have a what's this? My fuse box top, brand new. Come off of this. They make some good products. So I was actually excited to go there just to get a sticker, which is need to replace, which is wonderful. I will be ordering more stuff. They're not sponsoring me. I didn't ask to be sponsored by it, but I am giving them a shout out because this is super dope. And if you go to the dealership, they charge you an arm and a leg to get a sticker. I meant to, and that was like 3 weeks ago, but still, that was a dope show. That's why I keep pushing myself to do what I need to do with this car, because when I seen these cars out there, I was like, damn, I could have made it. But I'm gonna be patient with things. I gotta get things rolling with this vehicle, and that's how I work with it. Today I am gonna put a brand new low control arms on it today to see how this fits. I'm crossing fingers I don't have to send this bad boy back because I already took out the box. And when you take out the box, what you do a box? You throw them away. So hopefully, cross fingers, I want to kind of, I don't know what that sound is. It's only me. Yeah, kind of weird sound. So hopefully it just fits with no other issues. Crossing fingers and kidnap a leprechaun. Hopefully that will work. But that's where I'm at with that. I am getting some more stuff coming in today. Did I take that? No, it's in my bag. Yeah, I also got some more stuff coming in. Something else I need to do with this car. There's a couple stuff I need to get. It's getting there, but now I have a little bit more time to start really winding down, working on this stuff, and get this stuff out the way. Because, again, I'm tired of looking at this damn thing. I need to be on 4 wheels, not 4 jacks, stands. That is. So I am getting it done. I'm gonna rock it out. I'm gonna be happy with it when I get one side done. Long as they fit, I must have quit like OJ. So, you know, I'm gonna roll with the flow with this one. What else we got with this car? I think that's pretty much it. I just gotta start putting stuff back together like a puzzle piece, and I'll be good to go. Like hair grease. I'm on. I don't know why. I'm on a kicker right now. Who knows? But. Yes. So I will definitely start buying some more stuff down the line with this car. More stuff. I see that underneath my car, it's still got a little bit of corrosion in it. Some parts that still gotta get replaced. My rotors, I still gotta buy rotors because I need front and backs. I only have the front ones. So once I converted the brake, my back brakes, Once I do a conversion kit back brakes for this car, I'll be happy. I just gotta buy the rotors for them. My brain is so right now. This was happened to be tired. We walked around a fear all day yesterday. That was me yesterday. I walked around a fear all day yesterday. My brain like, that's it. So, I make a long story short. What am I about to say? Yep, so that's what we got. So, thank you for watching. Appreciate you subscribing. What else? Man, if nobody gonna do work for you, you better do it for yourself. Catch you around. Peace.